The text on the back should be centered or aligned and balanced. Hey there, I am Kerry Watson and welcome to the AuthorSell channel. In today's video, we're going to be talking about book cover design and how to maximize the back cover of your book with compelling descriptions and features. Stick around until the end for a bonus tip about the book's spine. The back cover of the book is also a valuable real estate that can help sell your book to potential readers. So, how can you use the back cover to your advantage with compelling descriptions? Well, use a compelling blurb, synopsis, or summary of the book. The back cover of a book is often the first place a potential reader will look for a synopsis or overview of your book. This helps to capture the essence of your book and entice readers to learn more. It should be engaging, informative, and give readers a sense of what they can expect from your book. Use quotes or endorsements from other authors or reviewers who read your book. This can be a great way to add credibility and build buzz around your book. You could also include an excerpt or sample chapter. This can give readers a taste of your writing style and the content of your book. This helps them to decide if they want to read more. The back cover is an excellent place to include information about the author. This can include a short but relevant bio, the author's photo, as well as any relevant credentials, resources, websites. If you're in need of professional book cover design services, be sure to check out my Fiverr gig at fiverr.com/Kerry Watson. I offer a range of book design services, and I am happy and ready to help you create the book that sells. Make sure to mention this voucher number, #YT25, for a $25 discount on any of my services. The back cover should not compete with the front cover, but should complement it. While the front cover would usually have more white spaces, the back cover tends to be more detailed and filled up, but not overwhelming. The title on the back looks better when it is smaller than on the front. The text on the back should be centered or aligned and balanced. Quotes should be italicized or noted with quotation marks. If you have a logo, it's best for the back and not the front of the cover. You can use decorative elements to design the back cover. Your author's photos should either be a professional photo with good lighting and not a selfie shot. Leave room at the back for your barcode. If you are finding value in this video so far, show it by clicking the thumbs up. Be sure to leave a comment or a question below and subscribe to AuthorSell for more book design tips and trends. As promised, here is the bonus. The spine of your book is determined by the number of pages inside and the type of paper your book will be printed on. These affect the thickness of your paperback book. If you desire to have your book title and author name on the spine, your book would need to be over 105 pages. Text on the spine is great for your readers to see the name of your book at a glance when your book is standing among other books on their bookshelf. By following these tips, you will be well on your way to maximizing the back cover of your book and sell more copies. Watch this next video to learn more about book cover designs, tips, and trends.